guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you see, I'm going to do a DIY on my zippers. These are some old slides that I have, and I'm going to fix them up with this green fur. So stay tuned if you want to see further ado. Just watch the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I use super glue and I have some scissors which I'm going to use to cut the fabric to the perfect size that I want it to be cut to. So guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, share my video, and yeah, just watch the video to see what I'm going to do. Looking good like this. Oh my, you would want to slide like this. I'm gonna repeat the same thing show you what I'm adding in return. Stay. Yes guys, so this is easy fun to make. Honestly, I had fun making it. Yes guys, so after I put on these, I'm gonna cut off the excess. So I'm showing you, I'm gonna cut, just cut it, and just putting on. Yes guys, cutting off the excess right now. And these are the wonderful fur slides that I created from my whole slippers. Yes guys, you can wear this go anywhere, and I'm gonna wear this out. It's so pretty, god damn it. Watching guys, bye.